Okay, Maddox, we're going to work on the two-step word problem some more, which we were doing in the beginning of the week and you were here. I have 4 problems for you. We'll talk about the first 2. I'm going to let you solve all 4 on your own, but I'll talk you through the first 2. So this first one here, Betty the baker made mini donuts on Sunday morning. She sold 927. Where'd it go? Oh, there we go. All right. She sold 927 of those donuts throughout the day. There was only 15 jelly donuts and 18 glazed donuts remaining at the end of the day. What was the total number of donuts that Betty made on Sunday morning? So what you have here is how many she has left. This 927 is what she has left. She sold 15 jelly and 18 glazed. Oh, sorry, I got that backwards. She sold 927 and she only had 15 and 18 left. So you're trying to figure out how many she had in the beginning. So you're thinking 2 steps here. First step I would do is you need to underline 15 and 18, and then you're going to add right here 15 plus 18, because we're going to see how many she has left. How many total donuts does she have left? So that's your first step. Second step, we're looking at how many did she have altogether. So in order to find altogether, we need to take what we sold and what we have left to figure out what we started with. So you're going to add again, and you're going to add that total 927 of what she sold, and then you're going to add what she has left, which is going to be this answer right here. So step 1, looking at how many she has left total. Step 2, adding what was left with what was sold, and that will give you what was left or what we had in the beginning. Okay, so you'll be able to do that one on your own, and you can write your answer down here. Don't worry about explaining it right now. And then let's look at number 17. So these first 2 I'll help you through, and the last 2 I want you to do on your own. So looking at number 17, the Jenkins family went on a road trip to Texas. They traveled a total of 746 miles in 3 days. They traveled 332 on the first, 94 on the second. How many did they drive on the third? So this is just like what we talked about the other day with the markers. You need to take away what we've done, and what we have left is what is going to be on that final day. So like with the markers, I had a handful of different colors. I took out the blue and the black, and the number I had left was the number of green. Well, you're going to take out the number 32 and 94 from our total. Here's your total. 746 miles total. First day was 333. Second day was 94. So your first step is going to be add how many we drove. Step 1. So you're going to add Monday and Tuesday together. I'll let you do this addition on your own. Be good practice. Ooh, that's a bad 4. You get it. You're going to add those together first to see how many we drove already. Then you're going to take that number and subtract it from the total. That's 746. 746 is across the 3 days. So we're going to take the first 2 days away to figure out what the third day was. So 746 represents all 3 days. This represents the 2 days. So you're going to add this and then subtract it from 746, and that will be your answer. All right. These next 2, 18 and 19, you're going to work on your own. Very similar style of questions. Working your way through those. Okay. Take your time, especially with your addition and subtraction, because if you make one mistake in this first box, it's going to lead over to your second, and then your whole answer is going to be wrong. You won't be able to recover. So make sure you're taking your time and doing everything as well as you can. I know you're great at addition and subtraction, so hopefully this won't be too bad. If you have any questions, put them in Google Classroom, and I will help you out, sir. Good job. Take your time. Good luck.